important concept: strategic fit or environment-led fit versus strategic stretch or resource-led stretch. Okay, I'll simplify it for you. In strategic fit or environment-led fit, an organization matches its resources and its capabilities with the opportunities that exist in the market. Okay, the organization accepts where it is, it's happy where it sits. Okay, so it basically focuses on satisfying the requirement of the market. Okay, the focus is to find and defend a niche in the market. All right, just try to do the same thing but better than yesterday. That's what, in essence, the focus of the organization is under a strategic fit or an environment-led fit. You're trying to just meet the market demand. You match your resources with the opportunities that exist. Resource-led stretch is a little different than that. It's about encouraging people to think outside the box, creating a new product or a service, devising new ways to deliver that product to the end user. It's about exploiting your core competencies, leveraging your resources to get more value for money. Okay. So you leverage your resource to improve value provided. You're trying to differentiate based on creating a new market need. And I'll give an example in a bit. You change the rules of the game based on your competencies. An example for this would be advancement into mobile phone technology. Now, we all use smartphones, right? I use one. I'm pretty sure you use one too. Now, if I give an example of Apple, back in the day when we all used analog phones, now I have used one. I'm pretty sure somewhere in your life you've used one where there were buttons instead of touchscreen. Okay, so if you want to dial a number, you have to physically dial it. That tells me how old I am. But in essence, everybody, including Apple, had those phones back in the day. Nokia, Motorola, Sony, all these big companies, nobody had a touchscreen phone. Now, Steve Jobs, back in the day, he said, well, we are into mobile phone manufacturing. We have the resources to manufacture a phone. How about we do something completely different that no one has done? We create a new demand. So what we do is we get rid of the bottom half of the phone, which has got the keys on which people can dial the numbers. Instead of that, we give a touch screen. So the keypad's replaced by the touch screen where people can then actually have a bigger phone. They can use it to watch videos and do whatnot, take pictures. And whenever they want to use a keypad comes out by just touching. That was the first iPhone. So what Steve Jobs did is he created a new need for a smartphone. He changed the rules of the mobile phone industry based on his competency of manufacturing a mobile phone. He leveraged his existing resources and provided more value for money. That is resource-led stretch, thinking outside the box, creating completely new product or service. Make sense? Are we clear? Okay. Righto. Now, most organizations who try to do resource-led stretch, they also need to understand and maintain a balance between fit and stretch. Remember, fit meaning you need to cater to the demand of the industry and market, because that's where you're going to generate revenue. Okay. If you don't meet the market demand, your market share is lost and the business goes somewhere else. So you need to cater to what the market wants. Okay. So there needs to be an alignment between fit and stretch. You need to leverage your resources. You continue to move forward, but you need also to continue to meet the demand to generate your revenue. Okay.